Hi, good morning, good afternoon, and also good evening, depending on whichever time of the day that you are going to come across this video. I'd like to welcome you onto my channel, man. Hey, I am a new fan of Isencane Lengane. Hi. Ayikho everything ngenze ngihleke ngikwade all emotions nje. Ngesikhathi esiyi-one. However, I've just recently watched if I'm not mistaken, yesterday's episode, but I watched it on YouTube and YouTube. Yeah. Yeah. So I'm just going to be brief with this one because there weren't really a lot of things that happened or that took place. So, Shuti, it began with Siyacela's uncle. Um, he wanted to have a chat with Siyacela and stuff like that. So the guy was like, woza sizophuza something along those lines, but ebengekho please ebengekho ngicela uze ngapha sizokhuluma or sizophuza or whatever, but ngiyakucela ukuthi uze ngapha. I feel like it's very important to with this episode, what I've seen is that Usiyacela has kind of like taken all the bad traits that he has seen, that each and everyone in his family possesses, and he now currently has onke lawo ma-traits abhedayo. You understand? Because even with Lokonj on its own, have you ever thought of lento ukuthi, or I'm sure most of us have seen or have encountered people who do not know how to say please. Banning. Not just kids, not just people my age, even people older than me. To a point ukuthi even it could also be abantu who are old enough to even be abazali bam or my grandparents or etc. They do not know how to say please. And lokho kuwumkhuba omubi. Kuwumkhuba omubi. Because with our kids or your kids, they will feed off that. And they will learn learned. And what they've learned ekhaya, they'll practice it, and as vele bekhula bakhulele ekhaya, lento izogcina isiba part of them. Umuntu umuze nasemsebenzini athi awulethe ukuthi, awuthatha ukuthi, angiboleka ukuthi. That's very bad. Ungakhona ukuthi uyacela. I remember khona umunye baba I used to work with. Naye unjani? Namanje. Angiboleka ukuthi, hawu kubi. Kufana nokudla. Kufana nokusuza nje. Mina even remember the exam yayivele asuze nje. Ngimbuza ukuthi mina kanti why wena usuza kanjena? Phela urong yansi. What no ku natural ngathi ma just because of natural it doesn't mean ukuthi usofala hamba ubosha. Uzosiboshela wena. No. Ezinye izinto guys abanye bethu sisuke emakhaya where they do not teach us those things. You understand? They do not teach us those things. And I remember there was even this other time, me and my mom, when I grew up, because I'm the firstborn on my mother's side. Me never shy mom, understand? But when my siblings, she wasn't as, she didn't raise them the same way that she raised me. And I once asked her, how, Mom, kanti why ulona ungabashayi mina kodwa ubungishaya nje? What no? Sesifundisiwe manje ukuthi ingane ayishawa nje. Sinomkanjani or so as parents, guys, educate yourself. Zifundise nawe. ukwazi ezumzali khuluma kahle. Wenzela ini kuthi your child ibona ukuthi no khulunywa so akhulunywa so. Ifunde. Because ingane nizixakile nani nesixaki nonke nje nesixakile guys. Funda nje ukuthi ngicela ukuthi ngicela uze la. Even when someone is borrowing into from you, uzothi give me your charger. Awunike. Awulethe la. Woza la. Just because you are old doesn't mean that you shouldn't respect umuntu omncane. I'm not even going to quote the Bible. But we should all respect each other. You as an adult respecting ingane, it's not ublima or awubhayizima wenza njalo. How I view it. Kokunye ikhombisa nengane ukuthi I feel like respect, it has no age. Your motto love is no age. Respect should also be like that. You don't respect someone because they are this age, and you don't respect someone because they're this age. No. Ukuhlonipha nje kumele nje kuhloniphane guys. And you umdala ngokuhlonipha unokukhombisa ingane ukuthi wena uyakhona ukuhlonipha. Uyafunda nengane ukuthi okwenziwa kanje. And most of the time our kids or younger siblings, they look up to us. Babheke ukuthi wenza njani. Kufana noma endlini if kukhona ubaba. Umama ehlala ethethisa ubaba. These kids when they grow up, they'll do the same thing. They will do the same thing. So it's very important ukuthi you are aware of how you're acting. You think before you act, and yeah, especially for our kids or your kids. So Leon J, for me it was a no. Yeah, so then they spoke about Utando, and they also spoke last week. Remember the car burned, and then he was like, Utando sola lama prevention pills good. Excuse me, you will amhlanyisa and stuff like that. And also this thing, I also didn't understand lento hello baba. Nalo baba nje ngathi mdala but mncane. This thing ukuthi with him, the reason why Utando left is because she's not sexually satisfied. Okay, I understood the part ukuthi akafuni Utando doesn't want to be left alone in endlini, or doesn't like being left alone in endlini. Very, that is not nice ukuthi umuntu uzomvakashela noma uzohlala naye, but yena they're never at home. Here's another thing, siyacela uze washwa thina. Mosi, you also do this now, malum. So do you see this thing ukuthi uSakela has taken all the bad traits, and I remember even with my brother, I once told him, there was a time with the microwave, he was like, my sister asked him, go to Bible, why didn't you do your microwave and stuff like that? And then he was like, no, I also don't do a microwave, mean. And then I confronted him. I was like, why are you lying? Not only that, I told him this, when you copy me, if you ever decide to do what I do, make sure that you do everything. Don't just copy the bad things, also the good things. Same thing with uSiyacela. In a sense, I'm not comparing him, my brother, with Ulentuzana, but I'm talking about making an example. If somebody copies me, or someone is going to come, must now you also do this, must now you also do that. Okay, I need to do those things. I also want to see you doing this. Because those things that you see me doing, that you are also doing, are not the only things that I'm doing or capable of doing. Ngifuna ke nawe ke manje ukwazi ukwenza ukuthi don't just copy umuntu because when picka ukuyichoosela ukuthi kuphi ofukopisha. No. No, cha lapho ngiyala-ke. Ngiyala. So, yeah, even this thing yokushiwa uyi-one endlini, no. Nami vele mina bengengikhone-ke vele. Bengengikhone bengeke. Akekho nje futhi umuntu, I don't think anyone would be able to do that ukuthi afike nje avakashele umuntu and then just ahlale eyi-one, you know. And then this sex thing, nalo baba mdala, but lo baba, he knows most, I'm sure. Because these two, they're always arguing, they're always fighting. Usiyacela doesn't listen, he wants to do whatever he wants to do, and then Thando will end up crying and all of that. Nje, you know. So the sex part nje, azange understand, and I don't know if he was trying to make a joke or what. And then I also liked indaba counseling. When he suggested that they should go for a counseling. At first I didn't understand what do they mean. I would fight with social work and stuff like that, but I understood much. Could know they really need to go for a counseling, and you know. And I also like the fact that even what here also counseling and all of that. I think another thing with someone like Usakela, it's not a kind of an individual that you should approach aggressively. If you want him to do something, or if you want to lead him into it, you should do that kanjani ngomoya kahle, because he seems like a person of nje abe aggravated very fast. And for another thing, he also checks with who are you, osuke uzomlentozana lizomtshela whatever umtshela yona, because the next thing uzomuza sethi wena akazi ukuthi why uqhamukela or something like that kuma diaries wakhe, you know. So I did like that, I did. And another thing, even with Mama Thando, yes, she's defending her daughter, or she's fighting for her daughter and stuff like that. But another thing, when you are doing all of that, fighting and defending, make sure Guti, you're not making things worse. You know, you're not making things worse. The intention is good, but how you are doing it, it's wrong. Because now, uyamosha ngapha. Yes, usiza ingane but uyamosha futhi. You know, uyamosha. Because even with Sekola even said la ukuthi who's this? The lezi no asebemthuye ngazo. Even being sworn at by Mama Thando about his mother. He doesn't like that. And then with him, it seems as if that's the reason why he takes out his anger, Kuthando. Because it seems like since he doesn't have the access to Mama Thando always, and he has access to Thando, he can take out some frustrations Mama Thando aguye awakhiphile kuThando. It's not good. It's not. Because even with her, as she was expecting Uthemba Nkosi allegedly, I don't know, that was my first time seeing him, uyasho ukuthi yena apparently ngathi ubaba kaThando and stuff like that. Umama Thando is like, because there was another part where they met a park, ukuthi if he saw that there was a problem with Thando, why did he called the family or called Thando's mom and sit down and talk and all of that? It's kind of ironic, because even with her, she did not do that with Usiyacela last week party. Yes, she was angry and all of that, but mdala ngithi futhi kokunye mdala. I feel like as umuntu omdala, she was supposed to also call a meeting, maybe to Usiyacela kuhlale naye phansi kukhulunywe naye, instead of her to be screaming outside of the church and swearing in front of people and causing a scene. because I believe if she also did izinto kanjalo, the car might have not been ngaba yishanga imoto, or if ibizosha, but things would have panned out differently though. So yeah, they spoke about that, and then Thembinkosi, there was a scene where he was talking to Upinki. That they were siblings. I'm using word because with what he was saying, Guti, at first Pinky he was referring at him, Guti, to him, Guti, he's her blood brother and stuff like that. But now he has bad sad news because he went to see a Sangoma, and the Sangoma told him, Guti, no, Utabete is not just a name, you are Undaba. And then Upingi cried. And then what I didn't like is this thing with, yes, our parents do a lot of things. There are a lot of things that our parents have hidden from us. But guys, as our parents, when you see Uti, we are at an age 18, I feel like it's very important Uti, you'll tell us isn't, especially when those things have to do with us. This guy Uti, he spoke about being married. I remember with my uncle, he told me that he has to change his everything, all his qualifications, after he changed his surname. Cabanga umsebenzi ungakanani loyo. Cabanga. So I feel like umuntu masenembona ukuthi they are at of a certain age, tell them. And lento ukuthi when your child comes and asks you, and then when we are shaker, just like Thembinkosi's mom, what's funny? It's wrong. It is wrong. But kokunye, sometimes our parents are scared to tell us, but at the end of the day they need to tell us. Ogunye, they know, or they can see the kind of a person that you are. If this one I tell them, they won't be able to handle it. But at the end of the day, we need the truth. We do. So yeah, Pinky was very, very emotional. But I disagree with this thing, Yaguti, of which that's what Thembinkosi said when he said Pinky is no longer now going to be, their relationship is going to be affected by this, they're no longer going to be as close as how they were. No. Omunye umndeni, guys, we need to understand ukuthi omunye umndeni it's ngegazi, omunye umndeni it's not ngegazi. As much as they say blood is thicker than water, sometimes enye family ukhanda as you grow, as uhamba ngempilo bhekana nezinto, thola abantu begcine sebeba even closer than umndeni wakho. So I the fact ukuthi they already have a relationship as siblings, I feel like they are still going to be close. And futhi manje uzothola ukuthi they might even be closer than what they were before. So yeah. And then they spoke about indaba yokuthi mshado kaThando noSiyacela vele there's no future because of how things are. Nje Thando's being abused and stuff like that. And then one of those wives, she was like, Thando, what did she say? I think she mentioned something about Siyacela changing one day. In other words, uSthando must just abekezele, there is a future, abekezele. Ileyo nje imqondo engayifuni yabantu abadala. Sometimes angiyifuni nje lo mqondo mina. kondombhedo uzohlala ubekezela. Last week she was talking about ukuthi if you get abused you stay, if this happens you stay, a wife must stay emshadweni. Yo, yazi nizophela nya do. More especially even this thing ukuthi you are expecting someone to change. Don't hold your breath. Don't nje. Usiyacela futhi uzowasho yena wathi abakhohlwe mina, this is who I am. This is who I am. What I like about this with Usiyacela and all of this, Uthando will definitely, I'm sure, get to watch this episode or that clip, or will be able to see that clip. Where Usiyacela says with Yena, this is him. He's not going to change. As much as he spoke about therapy earlier on, yeah, he's like, this is him. He's not going to change. So now, Uthando, it will be up to her. Is she still going to carry on with him or with this guy or not? The guy told everyone, no, this is me. This is who I am. I'm not going to change. I like a person who's like that. A person who's upfront, who will tell you, this is me. I'm not changing. Then the decision is yours, or it's up to you. Are you accepting this person for who they are, or are you leaving? But le mentality yokuthi uzolinda ukuthi umuntu change. The sad thing is that lo muntu akumore bese kuthi by the time bese ayashintsha kanti mase seshintshela omunye umuntu bese lo muntu omusha amthole fresh. Lapho nisufithi ke lapho ke amthole fresh eseyindoda eshintshile, angithi bepractice ngawo efunda ngawo yona into ensizayo. But either way, yeah, man, I don't know if that was the last episode or what. Yeah, but I enjoy the show. Yeah, enjoy. So yeah, man, thanks.